Hey guys, what is going on? Today we are back at Walmart. I missed last video and I have some hopefully good ideas for today.
See how long we stay here.
Yeah, we might end up getting kicked out again, I don't know yet. So I guess we'll have to see. Okay, so our first idea, I think we're gonna bottle flip. I brought 3 water bottles in that. Yeah, not right here. I was planning on doing it onto that stool, but if they fall over, it might break some stuff and I don't really want to pay for it.
Walk over here.
Okay, here we go. I got the first water bottle. I'm gonna try and get it onto that ledge. Yeah, that one. Hopefully you can see it. There we go.
Oh, I thought you threw me.
Okay, right here.
Oh yeah. Them skills. Okay.
Not even close. This is really difficult. It's pretty high up there. It's a pretty slim ledge. And I just found our camping spot. You know, we're just gonna stay here for the night. Pretty nice.
Challenge in Walmart.
Pretty nice beds. I didn't think they'll get mad at us if we're laying here.
The mat is at the bottom.
Yeah, the mats were actually kind of hard to take out.
Hard to take out. I think
These are actually pretty comfy, and some lady just walked by and laughed.
she said her cot was stolen out of her house.
Yeah, she said she had one of
And a
these.
lot of other stuff.
Yeah, she said her house was robbed and she had one of these and they took it.
Oh.
Guys, I found my new fort. I look good in it. Right by the basketball hoops.
Here.
Basketball hoops are right there. And there's Corbin. And I think somebody's passing. Where are they?
I gave. Not actually. Hi.
Hi. Oh, you're filming my butt.
Come on.
Come on, what?
Let's go. Come on. Hey. I can't read this. Clon. I can't read that. What does it say?
Does it actually say that?
Yeah. I don't know what it says. Donut?
Huh.
Donut.
Here we go. Volleyball. Worker behind you. Nothing. Get wrecked.
I'm fixing up. I'm That was terrible.
You're terrible.
Where did it go?
All the way over there.
Ready? Here I go.
Are you?
Where did Corbin go?
I don't know. I hit myself in the nose.
That's stupid.
My butt hurts now.
I don't care. I'm hidden. You can't see me. This is where I do a 24-hour challenge, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. I can't see what's up there. This is perfect. And Corbin is... He's over there. Hey. I'm on top of the world. This isn't even toilet paper, you dumbo.
No, we should have had those for.
Oh, those?
Yeah.
Yeah, those would have been good. Those weren't here when we made our toilet paper
Yeah,
for
we
it.
had to have the super.
Here we go.
This one's already dented on the bottom.
Oh. Oh. I see it. I see it. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little stuck.
The last one came like right, no, it came under that one.
Here we go.
Look, if you would have gone any further, pulling.
Whoops.
Let me see this. You got another one?
No, I don't. Walmart worker. He scowled at us, Corbin.
You guys are gonna be back at our store
Okay.
now.
He's kicking us out. Okay, so that Walmart worker kicked us out, and I'm kind of mad about it, so this is what I do when I'm mad. Take this. Come here. Gotta try again. Here we go.
You suck. What are you doing? Oh my god.
There we go.
That's amazing.
You should get.
Okay, so that was really freaking loud.
People are looking at us.
It was super
Here, take
loud
it
in
back.
the hallway.
Take it back.
I threw it in the hallway, and I hope you can hear it.
That guy was laughing. He
Yeah,
thought-
this guy was standing out the door. I have some extras still.
Oh, that was.
They're not as loud out here as they are in there. They're super loud in there.
Yeah.
In that hallway especially. So it was fun. But it was really short-lived, and I hope the sun isn't in the way.
We threw.
Yeah, I took the water bottle and I threw it across the floor. And the worker came by and told me if I'm gonna be doing that. I think you can hear it. Screw you, stop sign.
You missed.
Okay, I missed.
And it didn't even explode. There's a train. Throw it at the train. Oh.
Oh, oh,
Oh, bang a bang.
oh! You can see where I hit.
Where?
Right in the P. I don't know if you can see on the camera.
I can see it, but you can't see it. Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, we should have hit the train.
There's a train. That's the way home. Stupid train. We are back home, and now I need to clean out Phoebe's cage. So basically I just need to pull this tray out, and then I bring it outside and spray it off. And then my mom got some fleece to put on the bottom so it's easier to clean.
Abu. It's coming out of here. It's not even on all the way.
Yes, it is.
On this end, it's not. Here,
I'm good at this whole
Phoebe.
thing. She's a little scared right now.
Needs these.
She was asleep. Here, get under my hood. It's okay. There
What
you
are you doing?
go. Shut up. Trying to screw it on. Screw you.
Let's get a nice shot of Gabe Davis in his natural habitat. Well, this isn't his natural habitat, obviously, because he doesn't even know what he's doing.
Want me to punch you?
Go ahead.
I'm gonna cut that out.
Sock me in the face.
I'm actually gonna cut that out.
Magic. Magical. Magical.
Oh crap, what'd you do for
That was you. I told you it wasn't on all the way, and you're like, shut up. Shut up the way. It is leaking.
It's leaking, Corbin.
What? Oh my gosh. Stop wasting water.
Ah,
Zoomed in.
soaking wet shoes now. My favorite. You can water the dogs.
Water the dogs.
Yep.
Ow, it's all soaking wet over here. I'm breathing. It's cold. Holy heck.
Got him.
Turn the water off.
Yep. This is fun. Oh, crap. Right here?
Just do it perfect. Just do it where it can come up
Can
on
you
the
hold it
sides.
up, Corbin? Okay guys, that is going to be it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, go ahead and leave a like. And if you're new here, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
I feel paralyzed.